Welcome guys, we're going to do a very quick project in Scratch. It's called Code a Joke. This is a video tutorial that will help you learn how to do a dialogue in between two sprites. So let's get started. The featured code blocks we're going to use today are our wait 1 second block and our say hello for 2 seconds. These blocks are really important when you're doing a dialogue because you don't want them to talk over each other and you want to give enough time for them to say what they're going to say. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through all our steps. The first step that we always do is our project setup. With our project setup for this project, all you need is one backdrop of your choice and 2 sprites of your choice. So I'm going to go on to Scratch. We use Scratch through CodeHS in my class. You can go straight into Scratch on the internet or through CS First or whatever program that you use. I'm going to hit the plus sign to start a new project. I'm going to choose Scratch. And then I always want to start with a totally blank project, and it always gives you a sprite. So I'm going to get rid of the sprite so I can have a blank project. So the first thing I was going to do is come here and I'm going to grab one backdrop from down on my stage, choose a backdrop. I'm going to click on that. I'm just going to do a basic backdrop. Remember, as you're watching this, all you have to do is hit pause to keep up with me so that you can have a completed project at the end of this tutorial. I needed one backdrop and I need 2 sprites. I'm going to go into my sprite library by clicking on the cat with the plus sign. And I'm just going to choose 2. You can choose whichever 2 you want. You can pause it and choose your 2 and then come back when you're done. I'm going to choose Gobo, I think his name is. Where'd he go? I wasn't even paying attention. I went right past him. And I'm going to choose Ginka. These 2 are just going to be doing a knock-knock joke together. Okay, Giga. Okay, once you have all of your elements, then you want to make sure that you are putting them where you want them to be. So I have my Gobo. Giga hasn't come yet, so I'm going to make sure that I grabbed her. Oh, I have 2, so I'm going to get rid of one here. Okay, so if I wanted them on the other side, you can turn around costumes. You can turn a sprite around by going into your costumes of your sprite with Gobo. I'm going to come in here, I'm going to select him, and then I'm going to flip him because I want him to be facing Giga. And so now you can also change the size and you can make sure it's on the costume that you want it to be on. And so now that I do my project setup, I'm going to go back here and the next step is coding. Now we have our knock knock sprite, the sprite that is telling the joke, and then the one that is saying who's there. This is the coding for the knock knock sprite. Gobo is going to be giving my knock knock joke, and you'll see it only has 3 different blocks: a when the green flag is clicked from our yellow events, and then 3 of the exact same block from our purple looks, say for 2 seconds, and then 3 wait 1 second blocks. I changed it to 2 seconds in here. That's just because for timing. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to go on my coding tab. I'm going to make sure I'm on Gobo because he is the one doing the knock knock joke. I'm going to go over to my yellow events. I'm going to grab out a when green flag is clicked. I'm going to make this bigger so it's easier to see if you're watching this video kind of small. And then I need to go to my looks. I need to grab out 3 say hello for 2 seconds. And I'm not going to hook them together. I'm just going to put them out here on my board. And then I'm going to go to my orange control and I'm going to grab 3 wait 1 second. Now, since Gobo is the one doing the knock knock joke, he talks first. So I'm going to lead with a say hello. And then I'm going to put on a wait 1 second. I'm going to stack them in, do another wait 1 second, and then stack. And then finish with a wait 1 second. This is one of the easiest projects to code. You just have to grab a lot of the same block. So I'm not going to change all this right now. I first want to grab all my blocks, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to actually modify them. So I'm now going to go to Giga. Now, if you look at it, Gigas, this is Gobo. This is the knock knock sprite. If you look at the next one, it is the same exact blocks, but we have just shifted. We've taken our bottom wait seconds and we put it right up here because first thing, Giga is not talking first. The other sprite is. So we're just going to put our wait. We're going to lead with a wait and then go say, wait, say, wait, say. So I'm going to go do that for my second sprite. I'm going to, again, go to my yellow events. I'm going to grab a when green flag is clicked. I'll make this bigger again. And then I'm going to go to my looks. I'm going to grab a say hello. I'm going to grab 3 of these, just put them out here. And then I'm going to go to my orange control. I'm going to first put on a wait and then layer it with a say. Grab another wait, another say, and then I have one more wait I need to grab and then a say. So now I have all the blocks that I need to do. Now I need to look and put in my actual dialogue. For the dialogue on this one, I am actually going to grab this joke right here. Knock, knock. Who's there? Let us who? Let us in. It's freezing out here. And then the last sprite says, haha, that's funny. So all of the text in black here goes to my sprite that is saying the joke. And all my text in red is going to the sprite who is receiving the joke. So using that, I'm going to come to my Gobo, my knock knock one, and I'm going to lead off with knock knock. So you can just type that in. And then I'm going to check back here. The second thing that this sprite says is lettuce. And of course, it will be different for you because you're going to be doing a different knock knock joke. But I'm just going to put in what my knock knock joke is. And then I'm going to come through one more time. The last thing he says is let us in. It's freezing out here. So I'm going to type that in. Okay, I'm going to come back and change my spelling. So now I have all of my text correct in here. I do need to do timing, but I'm first going to go over to my other sprite and fix my timing on this one, or fix my text on this one. Who's there? And then let us who, and haha, that's funny. So everybody is going to do the same thing here because this is part of a knock knock joke. Who's there? And then you repeat what they say, and you say whatever, who, do a question mark, and then they're going to say, haha, that's funny. So from now on, now it's just a timing thing. So I'm going to run my green flag, and now I'm going to debug. The last thing we ever do in a project is, before we share, is debug. We run our project, we look for any bugs or errors in our coding, and we fix them. And so if I come here and I look at mine, I'll notice that they kind of talk over each other a little bit because I have my say be 2 seconds, but my wait is only 1 second. So my timing gets more and more off. So if I'm going to have someone say something for 2 seconds, the other sprite needs to wait for 2 seconds. So I can make it easy and just change all of these to a 2. I can give more time to one, but then I have to also give more time on the wait on the other sprite. So right now I'm just going to do an easy, change everything to 2 seconds. I'm going to check my timing again. Knock, knock. Who's there? They're not speaking over each other. Let us who, and then let us in. It's freezing out here. Haha, that's funny. So that is a basic fun project to do about how to do a knock knock joke and how to time dialogue. If you want to make it a little harder, challenge yourself. You can have them change costumes within it every time they're talking, to change a costume to one where their mouth is a little different. You can have them move and enter the scene and then start the knock knock joke, and you can make it as fun and as complicated as you want. But here is our simple project.